We're going to start with some sprouted tofu. Simply slice and cut into small chunks, especially if you have young children. Smaller the better. Put in a bowl, and we're going to add some turmeric. We're going to cut up and slice some mushrooms. And we're going to grate with a Julienne cutter a zucchini and set aside. We're going to use the same Julienne cutter to julienne some carrots and set aside. Next, we're going to cut a pepper. I just learned how to cut a pepper this way, so I thought I would share. It makes it a lot easier and less seeds everywhere. Simply slice the size that you are looking for. Some people would prefer a larger sliced pepper. Next, we're going to make the sauce with soy milk, 1/3 cup. 1/3 cup of tamari or soy sauce, preferably low sodium. 1/3 cup peanut butter. And about 3 tablespoons or 1/2 of a cup of maple syrup. Stir to combined. Voila. Next, we're going to fry the tofu till it's just somewhat crispy. The turmeric will make it look very yellow. Next, add the mushrooms with the just a little bit of tamari. No need for oil for this. Once kind of sauteed, we're going to add the rest of the julienne vegetables and the pepper. And just saute that for a little bit till it's still kind of crispy, but just starting to wilt. Next, add the tofu again. Cook your noodles in the meantime, preferably some pad thai noodles, which will just soak, only takes about 3 minutes. And then you're going to add it. Try to mix it a little bit together first. Add the sauce. Try to combine it as well as possible. And voila, you now have an amazing dish.